What's going on YouTube? Another episode of the Mirror Review here. And today I'm talking about a pretty darn amazing fragrance by Chanel, Allure Homme Sport Extreme. So stick around for my honest review of Allure with an Atomizer test and some tips on how to increase your fragrance's longevity. Just quickly though, if you're new to the channel, here it's all about the product and giving my honest thoughts and reviews on some quality blokes clothing, fragrances, and really anything in the menswear and fashion space, with some banner style tips and pretty sweet footage along the way. So if that sounds like it's up your alley, flick me a like and subscribe to the Mirror Review for more content. Thank you. Okay, so on to today's review. Here we have Allure Homme Sport, and hats off to Chanel as they've really come up with a scent that feels appropriate and fitting to wear to work, to dinner, to the gym, to a pool, or really any situation you could find yourself in. I just bloody love it, and more importantly, so do the people around me. I've got so many compliments while wearing this, it's actually silly. So a little bit about the bottle aesthetics. It comes in an elegant bottle, which is always an added bonus, with the jewel C on top for Coco Chanel, and a nice Chanel engraving on the cap. So the packaging looks great, but the smell smells even better. So on to the smell. When I first smelled this, I smell a fresh citrus with vanilla mixture, with some pepper, musk and wood notes. There's also some mint mixed in there. Now if you ask me, that's a pretty damn great combination. So the wood notes are sandalwood and cedar. And there's also some tonka bean and sage present. The atomizer of this bottle is also great and really allows for a controlled and evenly distributed spray. To me, this is a huge plus, as some colognes spit their scent out like a dodgy water pistol, and you feel like you're being sneezed on when spraying it. So this makes it hard to apply to a wide surface area, which is what you want for a nice even smell, so it's not so overpowering in some areas and weak in others. Yeah, a trash atomizer, like, it sucks, and it's honestly one of my pet peeves. It's something that thankfully you don't have to worry about with this cologne. Yeah, the atomizer's great. It also lasts a good amount of time, about 6 hours or so it's not the best performing scent out there, but it lasts a respectable amount of time. If you want a tip on how to keep your cologne and fragrances lasting and hanging around you longer, what I do is I firstly apply it straight after I've got out of the shower and dried off. This makes the scent last longer. You can also moisturise with a non-scented moisturiser. This lets the cologne lock into your skin and probably last for an extra hour or two. Secondly, you want to keep your cologne to your wrist and neck. About 4 sprays is good, but start low if you're not used to wearing much cologne. These are high blood flow areas and keep the scent fresh. What I like to do here is wear a jacket when I'm applying, and I'll apply about 3/4 of the spray on the skin of my neck and a quarter on the clothing, and I'll do the same on the wrist. So this just gives a bit of additional scent retainment to the clothes that I'm wearing. It smells a little different as well, so it kind of has just a less powerful, more nice and soothing undertone. So yeah, it's just another way to keep you smelling great for longer. That's why I love wearing the Sherpa jacket. The woolen interior lets me keep the scent for probably, another 6 or so hours, as the scent really penetrates into wool. You can do this with any article clothing, but it works amazingly with knits and this style of clothing. What you really want to avoid is rubbing your wrists together. Now I know this is common practice, but you don't want to do it. So fight the urge, be strong, as it breaks down the chemicals faster and causes the top notes of the fragrance to break down quickly, leaving your once glorious scent a hollow version of its former self. So yeah, just about 2 to 4 sprays would do with Allure. Sorry, got a little bit off topic towards the end there. Thanks so much for watching though. If you've enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe for more content, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Yeah, it'd be great if you could let me know what you thought, what you liked, what you didn't like. Super new to YouTube, so either way I'd appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, have a good rest of your day, evening or afternoon. Catch you soon.